In this video, we showed how to replace the intrusion switch on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and risers 1, 3, and 2 removed from the system, to remove the intrusion switch, remove the 2 screws that are securing it to the side of the chassis. With the screws removed, you can unroute the cable and then disconnect the dongle from the cable and then disconnect the dongle from the HPM and remove. To install the intrusion switch, align it with the side of the chassis and then replace the 2 screws that secure it in place. Then connect the dongle to the cable and run the cable in behind the hooks and then reconnect the dongle to the HPM. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.